Alright, here we go. That's like perfect. I'm on a kayak right now. This is like... This is like quite cool. I'm gonna get hit by that, right? Alright, we're good. Oh shoot, I did hit that, my bad. Look at that. Wow. You see the bottom. I don't know if I can even make it through that without getting hit. Alright, you know? They ain't gonna find out, right? Yeah, they won't find out. This is quite epic. Oh, this is like a really good spot. I like this. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Maybe not the best spot to go through. I don't mean to like dock with the tree or anything. Dang, that tree's like quite dead. That was cool. Anyways, maybe not to do that again. Motherfucker. Dude! We're good. Alright. Let's not do that anymore.